Hello, thank you for watching this video. This is Sam. In the following, you will see the capability of our business process automation platform, eBA, for asset management. Let's get started. This is the home screen of our mobile application. It is available for Android and iOS devices. And after you log in, you can find all the approval requests and also the pending tasks on this home screen. On the top left, you can also find the main menu, and you can find the applications that you have digitized in our system. And in this example, we will see the asset management application that allows you to manage and record a new asset to be saved in the system, and also find all the assets that you have saved by using this business process. And by using a handheld device, you can record the asset name and also the location. For example, pick and choose from a drop-down list. And once it is ready, then we can put this into the workflow by choosing the actions we are going to perform. And this is the home page when you connect to our system by using the web browser. And on this home page, also you can find all the pending tasks and also the request for approval on this home page. And on the left, we can find all the business processes that we have digitized in the system under the application. And we can find the one that we have for asset management, and we can create a new asset. And once we open this one, the asset code will be created and incremented automatically by the system. So we don't have to enter anything as for the asset code. And as for the asset name, we can put the asset name here, pick and choose the location from a drop-down, and save the status of your asset, and define the buying price. If there's any document that you want to attach along with this record, you are more than welcome to do so, as you can scan the document from the scanner or you choose it from the local. And once it is ready, then we can put this in and attach it with this particular record. So this will be the picture of our asset. As for all the application, there is a unique workflow working behind it. In this simple example, we will save this record right into the database without any approval. Once it is ready, then we can save this. And the flow history page shows us it is finished. And this is also the audit trail that helps you keep tracking the status of your request. Once they are done, we can also find all our assets that we have saved in the system, and those will be shown in this report with the unique asset code and also the asset name and so on in this report. It comes to the end of my demonstration. Thank you for watching, and you are more than welcome to contact us and schedule a free demonstration session.